gonna go get my nails done, featuring my baby. This view is crazy. We just going on a little stroll. These dirty streets. Oop, excuse my French. Walking up these hills and valleys is no friggin' joke. Am I right? I'm right. Why? Bruh, I'm tired. So, the nail salon was booked. And Walmart doesn't have a nail salon here, so I'm gonna do my own nails. So we'll see how that goes. I'm in danger. Back home, gonna try to do it in the tub. So. Never done my nails before, but I want to do my toes and I'm gonna do my hands. So, wish me luck.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
A few moments later.
Had to feed my baby because I'm a mother. No drama.
I'm a mother! No drama!
20 minutes later.
Okay, so here's what we got so far. I have no idea how to cut my cuticles, but here we are.
You hit me up like, do you wanna hang right now? I'm on the south side of the Martin Luther King right now.
So far, so good. I think I'm gonna put acrylic on these.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So I thought putting white on there would make it look better. And also around it. It's just, it just wasn't a good idea. Yeah, it just wasn't a good idea.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So I did my nails. I don't even want to talk about my feet because I didn't know what I was doing. But my nails, they came out not bad if you look not close. So that's good. So I'm gonna start doing my nails from now on. Thanks, babe. Ooh! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and be my victim.